Hello everyone, my name is George Return Offroad. Today we're going to be taking you through the installation and unboxing of your LB4 light brackets. We're going to show you everything that comes in the box, all the tools needed, and then we're going to install them on a Bronco to show you what it looks like. The installation process should take you no longer than 15 minutes. You might need an extra set of hands for one of the steps that we'll show you here shortly, but we're going to go ahead and open up your box. So now that we opened up your box, you'll be receiving 2 light brackets, all the hardware needed. This installation process should take you anywhere from 5 to 15 minutes. We do recommend that you have an extra set of hands because when you do remove the struts from the window, it does get quite heavy. You'll be needing a pick, a T30 Torx, a plastic removal tool, and if you do want to install the lights at the same time, we recommend you also having a 10mm wrench. So now that you've seen all the tools and the hardware, let's go ahead and install them. All right, so the first step to installing your light brackets is removing your struts. We're gonna go ahead and remove both sides. There is a retainer clip right at the end of your strut, so you're gonna wanna pop that off. This is where your pick comes into play. You go ahead and pop both sides off. And then you just pull on them and they come right out. You wanna make sure not to lose the little retainer clips, and you go ahead and put your window down. So now that you remove the struts, you're gonna grab your plastic removal tool and you're gonna remove the cap. You gotta be careful with the cap because it does have a clip and it is plastic, so it will break. So you wanna kind of mess with it a little bit, stick the plastic removal tool underneath, and you're gonna pry up slowly. Once it pops up, you'll see that it has a couple hinge hooks up here up top, and then all you wanna do is pull up on it and it'll remove just like that. Once you remove this, you can put it to the side with your plastic tool, and this is where the Torx T30 will be exposed. In this step, we recommend you having an extra set of hands before you remove the T30 Torx, so that way the window does not fall off. All right, so the final step is grabbing your T30 Torx, and you're gonna go ahead and remove it. The nice thing about our bracket is it does have the extra hole for the alignment pin, which is factory on the Bronco. So all you're gonna do is pull this back, slide it right where it needs to go, pull it in, put it with the pin, and you're gonna go ahead and tighten it after that. And that's it. That pretty much completes the installation of your bracket. One thing we do recommend when you are doing your lights, that you do not run the wire right underneath where your actual weather stripping is, and that you run it up and around and kind of tuck it up underneath, so that way you don't get any leaks if you do get any inclement weather in your area. Alrighty, so now we're gonna reverse the process. You're gonna pop your cap in. Again, you go from the top down. Pops right in. You're gonna grab your strut. Make sure you pop those in right away. Push the clip in, you do that to both sides, just like that. And you are all wrapped up. You might be wondering why you have some extra hardware. Well, we included it so no matter what light you use, it'll be flush mounted with our light brackets and it won't rub your hardtop. So with that being said, thank you for sticking around on this installation. If you guys have any questions about this product or any other product, make sure you check out our social media for exciting content, new releases, and any events that we might be hosting. Thank you for sticking around, and we'll see you next time.